Hi there everyone, it's Misty here. Hey, hi, hello. Just a quick update because I did a thing. If you saw my last update, I had mentioned that I had a surgery date. So I'm having a C2 to T2 fusion next Friday, May the 23rd, which is bananas. And so C2 is like right here, like where your skull kind of ends, like right there, to the middle of my shoulder blades. So they were going to have to cut up like up to here, cut my hair off. And I thought, you know what, let me just shave it off. So I went today and shaved it off. And I didn't cry. I thought I might cry. I was emotional about it. Mostly because this, like, I chose to shave it down because of what's about to happen. But the what's about to happen is the reason why I shaved it down. So I guess it doesn't feel like my choice, you know what I mean? So I was like, I didn't watch and it was someone whose English wasn't his first language. I believe he's Vietnamese. And he was like, "Are you sick?" I was like, "No, I'm not sick, but I'm having surgery." And he was just concerned that I was like, "I want you to shave it as close as you can get it." So he said, "Are you sure?" And I'm like, "Yeah, no, I'm sure. I'm having surgery. They're going to shave it, so go ahead." And I didn't watch. I didn't watch the whole entire time he did it. And I opened my eyes and I was like, oh my God. I was like, I've got a big head. But then I said, oh, it's symmetrical, so at least I have a nice head. But yeah. And then so I needed to film some intros and I'm like, I'm going to put on a full beat. I'm lucky in the fact that it was my choice to shave my head. Like I don't have alopecia or something like that. That would make me be bald. But, I kind of like it. Like it's growing on me. It's weird looking on camera because I see the white roses. I feel like I blend in. And my head is shiny because I put some moisturizer on it. So yeah, 1 week. It is crazy how close it's gonna be. Oh, if you're questioning what's on my face, it's the Pastel Dreams. I really want her blushes. Her new blushes look so pretty, but I was like, Missy, I can't buy new makeup because I've been buying strawberry shortcake dolls. A friend of mine got me the strawberry shortcake blow-a-kiss dolls. I think we've had this conversation before. For my birthday, because my birthday was April 29th, turned 47. And it's like new in the box. And I was like, oh my gosh, she's so cute. And I was like, why didn't I ever think to look on eBay? So I picked up the other 5. Now I didn't buy one that was new in box. I bought some that needed a little TLC, but I ended up with all 5 of them and I'm really excited about it. My inner 5-year-old has basically taken over. I'm gonna walk up in that hospital next Friday, strawberry shortcake head to toe. I've got socks, I've got slippers, I had to cancel the order with the shorts. I've got a t-shirt, I've got a hat, I've got a bag, I've got a phone case, I've got an iPad case. I got a cup. Like I got a cow. Did you guys see my cow? I don't think you did. I'll try to insert a picture. I always like to have a stuffed animal with me right before I have surgery or right before I have anything big done. So I found this cow on Build-A-Bear. She's a Highland cow, which I love, but she's strawberry. She's a strawberry cow, so strawberry milk cow, yes. And so I bought her glasses, and then she had the t-shirt. They had a t-shirt that said Emotional Support Bear, and I was like, sign me up. So got that t-shirt, and it's so cute. And I got her to smell like strawberry, so I'm like, okay, this is gonna help ground me because there's like 2 different types of like fabric on her. Then we've got the scent. So like I just need something in pre-op that will help kind of, you know, calm my ass down before this major surgery. So got her, and I've just been trying to get my Pride Club done, cards done, and just letting her kind of lead the way in all things and just getting ready. I mean, I can't believe it's a week away. It feels like it's been forever. I'm so excited to be able to, like, I'm ready to get back into my life, like getting back into putting on makeup and getting back into, you know, filming videos and just doing the things that I really love that I have not been able to do because I have been deteriorating pretty rapidly. It doesn't help that I can't have my anti-inflammatory and I am 8 weeks out from an RA infusion. So I'm in an RA flare. I'm in an RA flare and I haven't had an anti-inflammatory on top of it. So I am like, whew, am I gonna make it? Am I gonna be okay? Like just in pain 24/7, but I hope that this is all worth it. I just want my life back, you know? It's like, and I keep telling my therapist, even if I don't get 100% back, you know, 70%, that's what the doctor said. It could be up to 70 to 80% of the weakness and the pain, I think. It's like, as long as I get 50%, like, I just want to be able to live my life. I want to be able to leave my house on my own. Like, I just want to be able to go and do stuff. So yeah, 1 week away. I got a mailing address. I got like a mailbox. So if you want to send a card or a letter or a postcard or whatever, that's listed in the description box down below. Some people have reached out from my other channels, and I thought I'll just talk about it on every channel because I'm trying to update all of you the best that I can. So yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I want my life back. And if I can't get all of my life back, like pre-2016, then I would like to have most of it back. Just some autonomy, you know, just some autonomy. I want to play with makeup. I want to film and make cards. No, there's just so much unknown going forward. They came today and fit me for my neck brace. That was an experience all on its own. And so yeah, I'm just ready. It feels like it's 7,000 days away, and it also feels like it's gonna happen tomorrow. This time has just flown by. I knew it would. I'm down to like my lowest adult weight. Like, I don't think I've been this weight since I was in 8th grade. I weighed in at 312 the other day. I'm hoping I'll be close to 299 on surgery or around the surgery date. We'll have to just wait and see what happens. I'm not actively trying not to eat, etc. I'm on Mounjaro, which is GLP-1. So that helps with my diabetes, but it also, of course, helps with the appetite. So yeah, it felt good to sit down and put on makeup, and I thought I gotta at least put on brows because I look like Uncle Fester without them. So I'll insert some pictures of what I look like without makeup, but I think I did okay. And I'm really excited. Well, no, let me take that back. Everybody keeps asking me if I'm really excited, and I'm like, well, I'm not excited, but I'm ready. Like, I feel ready for this. I'm ready to, you know, not have to be in so much pain, but to also not have a lot of weight. Like, that's the other thing I meant to say. Like, my hands, first thing in the morning, it takes me a good 2 or 3 minutes for my fingers to relax enough that I can take my pills and get up about my day. And that's because most of my RA symptoms are in my hands. This knuckle today, I don't know if you guys can tell how much swollen it is than this one, but whew, this finger and this knuckle, and I can't crack them. I used to be like a finger cracker, and I stopped doing that the minute I learned that I had RA. So I can't like crack it or anything, but it's like, oh, I wish I was a cracker. I wish I was a cracker. I wish I were a cracker. So yeah, so anyway, that's it. I appreciate those of you who left comments and reached out. I really do appreciate you. I hate that I just kind of abandoned this channel. Both channels. I'm gonna put this on Playing with the Elf too. Like, listen, I filmed ahead, but I just haven't had the energy to edit. Like, it's been a struggle. I told Rob, my husband, I was like, I don't even need to see because I had to have an updated MRI. It's like, I don't even need to see the updated MRI to know that I am worse. Like, I get weaker and weaker every single day. And I didn't have a choice on this surgery. It was, you know, this surgery or a wheelchair. So I'm really hoping that it gives me a good bit of relief. That way I can just, you know, live. And I think that's all we ask for, right? So anywho, that's it. If you missed me talking about the new Give Me Glow, I can't speak for all of them, but for a couple of them. And then she just released cream blushes that are really beautiful. So yeah, I'm excited. Again, to get back into makeup, to get back into planning, to get back into card making, just getting back into the swing of things. So if you want to stay updated, my At Home with Misty channel is listed down below. So the mailing address will be listed down below. The At Home with Misty channel will be listed down below, because I will post updates and stuff on that channel. I don't think I will be able to update the first couple of days. Maybe later in the week I will be able to do it. This is my second year in a row Memorial Day weekend in the hospital. Last year was double pneumonia RSV. This year is a major surgery. So, but we're going to do it. It's going to be great. I trust my team. I love my doctor. She's fantastic. Her PA is fantastic. It's a new hospital for me. We're doing this through Methodist. So that's new. My other surgeries were through UT Southwestern and then Baylor for my gallbladder. So trying out a new hospital, and yeah, I'm excited. So anywho, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate you. Again, I apologize for abandoning both channels. probably would have abandoned the July 5th elf too, but we do a pride collab every year. Sorry, my corner of my lips are itchy. We do a pride collab every year where we make pride cards or pride themed cards every Friday through May and June. And this year it got a bit bigger. We invited other people. We did an Instagram hop. We're about to do a YouTube hop on the 6th. And so it's just like, I committed, committed to it, and I gotta finish it. I have 5 out of 8 videos filmed. So I just need to film and edit and upload 3 more videos and I will be good to go. So yeah, that's it, friends. I'm rambling, but I have all of this nervous energy and nowhere to put it. Nowhere to put it. So anywho, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. I hope you have a good day, night, weekend, wherever you are. I love your faces. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.